attention, because you're about to learn some rocket science. We're going to be making rockets, which we have to pay for and we have a budget of $1 million. And we have to buy our supplies. I'm the budget director. Well, what we do is, here's my little checkbook with all the money and checks. Well, not the money itself, just the checks. I write the checks, I have to sign them. But this is how we keep track of how much money we have. We write down the company we did it to, we write down what time we did it, and we write down what number check it was, and how much we paid, and then our balance of what we did.
My job title is design and construction director. I have to design the rocket, make sure the project manager approves of it, which is Bella, and then I construct it.
And here we are with Team Sparkle.
Sparkleteers.
Oh, the Sparkleteers. Tell us a little bit about your design and folder.
Well, this is the budget side where we keep the money and the checks we've already written that she's stamped and approved for us. And this is where our project side is, which is what we're going to use for our rocket. And these are the fins. We're going to put them on the side of the rocket, and they're going to have diamond cutouts. And
we're hoping that the air will go through it, which will make it balanced, so that whenever it goes to the air, it won't be all crooked like in the video we watched.
I am the budget director, and my job is I have to keep accurate amount of money, expenses, and pay bills, and I have to sign all of the checks, and I'm in charge basically of everything that involves money. And whatever we want to buy, it has to go through our project manager, Allie, first, so we know we're on track and stuff. So,
and Allie, your project manager?
Yes.
And what do you think is the biggest challenge as the project manager?
We have to log everything, so we have to put what our must-haves are, and then we have to put everything we do. On 415, our budget director wrote a $600 check for 2 liters of fuel, and we have to write down everything that happens, and we have to keep track of that. Then we have to make sure that everybody's doing what they're supposed to.
I'm the design and launch director. This is our rocket design.
Oh, okay. Let me see.
We're gonna have a little diamond window right there, and it's gonna say Sparkle going across the sides. And those are fins with the diamonds in them. And it's gonna be fin with a pointed nose cone and full-size fins, because that
is so much making. Mackenzie, what are you measuring? String for your parachute? What are you buying, Marcion?
The cardboard.
For what?
So we make fins.
To make fins for
And ladies.
we are going to work on the parachute, and I'm right now making a check.
What are you writing a check for?
Writing a check for the string and for the parachute plastic.
Okay, Bella's canceled checks. Very nice. How much money do you have left?
We have, Bella, I'm still doing it.
Still figuring it out, Micah?
Yeah, I gotta subtract some money so for far. We've taken the caps off the ends, and we need to put another cap on the top. But this is how it looks so far. Yeah, so we cut the bottoms off 2 2-liter bottles, and we shoved one inside of the other and taped it so it would stay on. Tape, and that's all we have.
Have you thought about your nose cone yet?
Not yet, but we're planning on having it a point. So the fin would just roll off instead of having it flat where the fin would push down. So, yeah.
Caden, what's the problem?
I'm riding skateboard at the top right here.
So what do you think you should do?
Buy another piece of duct tape. My team's rocket. We need a spark the tears. In order for this rocket to work, we need Newton's 3 laws of motion. The first law applies is an object at rest stays at rest while it's on the launch pad. It stays at rest unless an outside force is acting upon it, which is me pulling the ripcord. And then an object, once it blasts up into the air, an object in motion stays in motion until an outside force is acted upon it. And the outside force is gravity, which causes it to go down back to the ground. Newton's second law of motion is acceleration is produced when a force acts on a mass. That means thrust. And when I pump on this, it'll go up. The higher I add, the more altitude my rocket will have. Newton's third law states that every action has an opposite reaction. Pull the ripcord, the rocket will thrust up.
Down.
Ours blew off.
Uh-oh.
Mr. President!